Good morning, everyone. Uh, Today, we are going to discuss some introduction and overview on direction topic, which is from logical reasoning. So, this topic we are going to discuss again in classroom, but today I just want to introduce and give some concepts related to direction sense so that you will be able to solve questions from worksheet. Okay, so whenever we are talking about direction, we all know that we have basic four directions, right? Now you might be thinking the directions in your mind right now. So everyone knows that sun uh, rises in the morning to east, correct? Then we have west, north, and south. So these four basic directions we we all know. But do you know one thing? If you want to crack direction problems from logical reasoning, you should be good at concept. Now, which are those concepts? There are few sentences we have in the questions which we will get confused. Okay, so the first statement you should keep in mind the fixed point or crossing point. For example, they may give you one question and there they are mentioning one sentence that A starts from crossing point or A starts from fixed point. Now, what does it mean? Fixed point or crossing point is nothing but this center. Okay, so A starts from this fixed point towards north. So, what does it mean? A is starting from this center point towards north. Understood? Now, second important concept is that let's consider B now. B is walking towards north, or the same sentence they can frame in other words. B is walking towards straight. B is walking towards straight. Now B is walking towards north and B is walking towards straight is nothing but B is walking towards north. That's it. For example, B at this point is standing, and from this point, he is walking towards straight. What does it mean? He is walking towards straight means he is walking towards north. Okay, just keep in mind this third point, second point. Now, third point is that uh, from A, direction of B, and vice versa. They might give you sentence from B direction of A. Okay, or this is the first point in uh third sentence. Second point would be uh B is A's. Okay, B is A's. Now what does it mean? From A, what is the direction of B? Always keep in mind this part. B is A's means from A, what is the direction of B? Okay, now while considering this third point, let me give you one example. Suppose the direction of A is standing here. Okay, let's consider A is here and B is here. Can you tell me from A, what is the direction of B? From A, what is the direction of B? So from A, direction of B in this diagram is nothing but what? East, north, correct? Here is east. You can see the directions also. Here is east and here is north. Now, if I will move to the second point of third sentence, B is A's. B is A's. Again, I'm saying from A, what is the direction of B? So from A, what is the direction of B? They can also elaborate that sentence as B is A's. Okay, now tell me what is the direction of A with respect to B? So From B, what is the direction of A? Obviously, it is west, south, southwest, right? So we all know that including this four direction, we have subdirections also, correct? And which are those subdirections? Those subdirections are east, northeast, or east north. We can call it as northeast, then north. Uh, Here we have northeast, southeast, then we have southwest, okay, and then we have south. Sorry, here we have south. This is south, right, and this is west, southwest. Then this is northwest, correct? Because this is north and this is west direction, so it is northwest. So southeast, southwest, northeast, northwest, these are sub directions that we should know. Okay, so these are few concepts which I wanted to tell you, which we will discuss again in the classroom. Now, one more important point: without diagram, you will not be able to solve direction problems. For each and every simple diagram, you should know how to draw a line diagram. Okay, fine. Now, let me give you one more important point. For example, these are our directions, and A is walking towards straight. It means we know how to draw it, right? A is walking towards straight. Some people will draw these arrows. It is totally depend on you how you are drawing diagram. So A is from a fixed point. A is walking towards straight. Then A after walking for some meters, A took right. Now everyone knows what is right and what is left. So from this point, he took right. It means this side, correct? So again, from this point, he took left. Now left from this point, where it is upside, right? So again, from again walking some meters, he took again left. It means he will go up now. Yes. Okay. Now again, let's take one another example. Suppose from fixed point he is walking towards south. From south he took right. Now what is my right? So my right is not same as the first condition, correct? My right is in opposite direction if I'm going to south. So my right is on this side now. After walking for some meter, again he took left. Now where is my left? My left will be again south direction, right? So whenever you're going to north and whenever you're going to south, your left and right direction will automatically change, correct? So this points you should keep in mind and you have to solve questions. Now let me give you, let's take one example question. Okay, so consider that Raju has covered 10-meter distance from fixed point. So everyone knows that which one is the fixed point or crossing point. So from fixed point, he covers 10-meter distance. So consider that from this point to this point, it is 10 meter. So after covering 10-meter distance, he took right turn. So right turn, once he took right turn, again he covered 10-meter distance. Now always remember one thing, this 10-meter and this 10-meter line should be equal. If it is not equal, definitely you will not be able to get the correct directions. Okay, so if it is 10-meter and if it is also 10-meter, both the lines should be equal. Now after completing next 10-meter, he took he took right turn and he moves to south for 20 meters. So I know that from this point to this point it is 10. Now again 10 meter. So it is completely total 20 meters he is covering, right? So after covering 20-meter distance, he took again right turn of 5 meter. Now tell me 5 meter. I should draw a half line because this total distance is 10 meter. So 5 meter will be here somewhere, right? Suppose instead of 5 meter, he is covering 9 meter. So don't consider 10 meter is equal to 9 meter. No. So 9 meter will come somewhere here, right? 1 meter less than less for 10 meter, right? So always remember one thing, the game of direction, if you want to achieve each and every question correct, this line you should draw correctly. Understood? Yes. So here we will end our today's introduction part for direction topic. Other things and more questions we will solve in the classroom. So I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm stopping my session.